shine right outside my door. I hear them whispering, they're trying to ride it out, 'cause they've never gone this long without a kill before. And I'm down to the wire, I'm running water, but I won't come through the fire. But if this is what it takes to take me even higher, then I'll go move like I do when the world keeps testing me, testing me, testing me. This evening, I can't seem to shake these vultures off of my trail.